Hello students, today we'll be discussing chapter 13, that is triangles. So in a triangle there are 6 elements. Okay, what are the 6 elements? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. These 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle are called its elements. Okay, so what are the sides here? The sides here are AB, BC and CA. So these are the sides. Okay, and what are the angles? The angles here are angle A, angle B and angle C. Or we can name the angles as angle A, we can call it angle BAC. Since the angle is here, we call it BAC. The angle should be in the middle. Okay, angle BAC. So since A is in the middle here, right? So this is the angle, this angle A. Alright, and if you look at angle B, we can call it angle ABC. ABC, this is angle B, angle ABC. So the one in the middle is the angle, right? And angle BCA, this is angle C, we can call it as angle BCA, right? So here the 3 sides are AB, BC and CA. Like I said before, the 3 sides are AB, BC and CA. So these are the 3 sides, and the 3 angles are angle A, angle B and angle C, or we can call it angle BAC, angle ABC and angle BCA. Okay, so now if we go to the next page, the properties of triangles. Property 1. The sum of the 3 interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here interior means inside. Okay, inside. The sum of the 3 interior angles of a triangle, that means the angles inside the triangle, that is angle A, B and C. So when we add all this together, we will get 180 degree. Okay, this is the first property. When we add up all the angles together, the total will always be 180 degree. This is the first property of a triangle. Okay, and based on this property, if you look at the example, if 2 angles of a triangle are of measure 55 degree and 65 respectively, find the measure of the third angle. So if this is 55 and this is 65, find this angle. This is what the question is saying. So but we know that sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So since we don't know the value of the third angle, we will write let the measure of the third angle be x, and then we know sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So we will write x plus 55 plus 65 equal to 180 degree. So when we add these two together, we will get 120 degree. Now x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree, and if you take this plus 120 degree to the right hand side, it will become minus, plus will become minus. Okay, so after subtracting, we are getting x equal to 60 degree. So this is how you find the measure of the third angle. Okay, if 2 angles are given, we can easily find the third angle of a triangle by this method. Alright, now let us look at the second property. If one side of a triangle is extended, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the 2 interior opposite angles. So here exterior angle is the angle that is formed outside. Exterior means outside, so the angle formed outside the triangle after extending the line here, right? We are extending this side BC up to D, and then we are getting an exterior angle. Okay, so what this property is saying is this exterior angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Okay, angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. So this is the second property. So based on this second property, let us look at an example. The side BC of a triangle ABC is reduced to D if exterior angle ACD is 126 degree, this angle. Okay, and interior angle BAC, so this angle is 70 degree. Find angle ABC. We have to find this angle. So we'll write let angle ABC equal to x, since we don't know its value, but we know that angle ACD is this angle plus this angle. This is the property, right? See, this is the property. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. So we will write angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. So we will write here x, and the value of angle BAC is given 70 degree, and value of angle ACD is given 126 degree. So now this plus 70, if we take it to the right hand side, this will become minus 70. Okay, so x equal to 126 degree minus 70 degree, that is, we are getting 56 degree. All right, so this was the second property. Now let us look at the third property. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so what this property is saying is, if we add these two sides together, it should be longer than this side. Okay, sum of any two sides. If we add this side and this side, it should be longer than this side, and if we add this side and this side, it should be longer than this side. Okay, this is what the property is saying. So based on this property, let us do an example. Find out if the following sides are really the sides of a triangle. 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. These are the given sides. So the given sides are this. We will write this down. The sum of two sides is, we'll write 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. So since the sum of the two sides is not greater than the third side, these are not the sides of a triangle, because we have learned in this property that the sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. But when we're adding these two together, we're getting only 10, which is not greater than the third side, right? These two are equal, not greater, so it should always be greater. So until and unless we're getting a greater number when we add these two smaller ones, these are not the sides of a triangle. For example, if it was 4, 7, and 10, when we add 4 and 7, we are getting 11. So if it was 4, 7, and 10, then it would have been a triangle. But since here is given 6, when we add these two together, we are getting only 10, which is not greater than the third side. Okay, so for those of you who are not able to attend the Zoom classes or any of the WhatsApp classes, if you're watching this video without attending any classes, then write this down, pause it, and then write this down and complete the homeworks and send it to me. Most of you have sent it already, but those of you who have not attended any of the classes, please do this homework and send it to me. Now let us continue to types of triangles. So according to their angles, there are three types: acute angle triangle, right angle, and obtuse angle. So the first one here is acute angle triangle, a triangle in which all the interior angles are less than 90 degree. Remember this, less than 90. All the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, see, for example 72, 53, 55. So all these angles are less than 90 degree, and this is called an acute angle triangle. And the next one, right angle triangle. This is also very simple. All you have to remember is one angle is 90 degree. So this is how we draw a 90 degree. We draw a straight line and an L shape. This is 90 degree. Okay, this is how we draw a right angle triangle. And the third one is obtuse angle triangle. The triangle in which one angle is greater than. So here we should remember greater than 90 degrees is called obtuse. O-B-T-U-S-E, obtuse angle triangle. One angle is always greater than 90 degree. Here it is 126. So this is an obtuse angle triangle. Alright. And also according to their sides, there are also three types. That is scalene triangle, a triangle in which all of the three sides are of different lengths. So you should remember this, all are different lengths. Okay, this is called a scalene triangle. And the next one according to the side is an isosceles triangle. You should remember here, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, a triangle having two sides of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. This is an example of an isosceles triangle. Here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, two sides are equal. Yes, this is called isosceles triangle. And the last one according to the side is an equilateral triangle. This one is very simple. All the three sides of a triangle are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal length. It can be, here I have shown 4 centimeter in all the sides. It can be 5 or 6 it can be 7 centimeters also. Okay, so in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. All right. And there are two special properties angles, like the first one is for an isosceles triangle. Angles of an isosceles triangle, we know that in an isosceles two sides are equal, right? We learned this just now. And the opposite angles are equal. Okay, so the special properties are also very simple. If the two sides are equal, then these two angles are also equal. This is the first special property. And the next one is also very simple. It's just that angles of an equilateral triangle are all equal to 60 degree. We have learned that all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal just now, right? So now what is the special property? The special property is that all the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. This is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. This is the second special property of triangle. Okay, so this is another homework for those of you who have not been attending any classes. These are just all the properties that we have gone through just now, so you should be able to do it. Complete your homework and take a clear photo and send it to me. All right, you can always pause the video and write down the questions. Okay, so that will be it for triangles. Okay, in the next class we will be discussing about quadrilaterals, so you can go through your textbook. Okay, and I'll make an explanation video about that. Okay, so see you in the next class.